Definitely, for all the future Sims out there. And I think the thing that we say is that this isn't a 2-year journey. It's not even a 5-year journey or even maybe a 10-year journey. I think when we look back in, the 90s, at the birth of the internet, I'm sure that people in 1996, when JavaScript first came out and CSS and HTML, around 93, 94, 95, they had no idea. They couldn't even conceive the fact that we'd all be on Facebook, like meeting each other. And then now we're like the internet looks today. And I think the same thing will happen with AI. I think we can't even conceive the world, what it's going to look like in a decade from now. And the amazing thing is that if everyone's building on top of a sim, we kind of get to pioneer the way in which people use AI, and that they deploy into their own production environments. And so I think that's a really exciting place to be because we want to be the platform of the future and we always want to be forward looking. And we're kind of fortunate because there are a lot of other platforms out there that maybe were like older or like perhaps have a lot more rules and restrictions around how they're able to like work and like pivot inside of the platform. But for us, like any new feature that comes out, like we're always reading like the latest research papers and like the latest model advancements that come out. We always want to put that in the platform and find a really exciting use case around it. So this field is like ever changing and dynamic, and we just want people who are part of the company to feel like they're pioneering the future of AI, which we surely feel like we are in the process of.
One thing that's cool is you guys are open source, so interested candidates can just go read the repo and get a sense of what the tech stack looks like and how it all works. And yeah, I think that's a pretty good selling.
Yeah, that's a super easy way to catch our attention as well. Like we're constantly surveying like who the contributors are to the platform. And I think like that's the best way if you wanted to like engage with us in any way and not just be like another applicant on the careers page. The best way is to like start engaging with the repository, contributing. And we really made it like super extendable from day one. So we have a ton of integrations, like 100 of them out of the box. But I think like a common first feature that somebody makes is like they add a new block or a new tool. And I think like that's just been like a super easy way for them to get our attention.
Yeah, so anyone that's definitely interested in open source projects, we're one of the fastest growing open source projects in the world. We joked about earlier how we never expected to be at 100 GitHub stars, and now we're at like 17,500, which is even like, when we ended YC a couple months ago, we were only at like 4,000. So who knows where we're going from here? But definitely people who are interested in open source projects, we really appreciate the developer community and the fact that we are open source and developers around the world can contribute to the project and also run it locally, without us intervening in them building agents.